boy Chef back again with another video, man. As you can see, I got the head cam on right now, so you already know it's a POV drive, man. Yo, I figured give y'all boys a POV drive in a minute, so I said, fuck it, let me strap up the head cam and really show y'all boys something. Nah, but a lot of people that been hitting me up asking, yo, POV drive. So I said, fuck it, let me give y'all boys a little POV drive. Plus, I just got the car straight piped and shit, so you know we sounding good and shit. But yeah, like I said, if y'all boys are enjoying the content, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Tell a friend to tell a friend, man. Road to 1,000 subscribers, chat. We almost there. We dead ass almost there. Just gotta keep faith, keep belief, man. We there. Nah, but yeah. Yo, shit, my fault. But yeah, it's a little rainy out here in New York City, but past couple days the weather's been nothing too crazy. Been warm days, cold days, but like, you know, the New York shit, bipolar weather. But yeah, we here. Like I said, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, all that. Let's do it. Bro, we just started the video and we already running into traffic and shit. Like, that don't even make sense. Hold on, 330 just cut me off. He's bugging. Yee. Now the roads are a little wet, so can't be out here bugging out too crazy and shit. But you know, we still have a little, feel me? Whoa. Behind me is geeking right now. He's whooping right now. Tinting out and shit. Sheesh. Now what is going on though? Now the car do sound mad crazy though. I love it. I love how it sounds. Like, it's really a great tone. Let me see. Yo, I'm crying. One thing about this shit though, this little M2 mode, it burn hella gas. Shit, we probably gotta fill up right now. How many miles we got left? 57? Yeah. GG's in the fucking chat, coach. Hold your turn, brother. Hold your turn. Traffic is crazy, buddy. Oh my days. Like, oh my days. Like, how? It's like, bro, what the fuck? It's 11 o'clock a.m. on a Monday, bro. What is this? Oh, Tesla down. And I'm out of here. I'm out of here just so. I'm out of here just so. Low down shift. Yeah, I know how that go. Come on, somebody pick one. Somebody pick one. Fuck it. car, brother. Are you ready? Oh my God. I'm literally a menace to society now, bro. It's literally fucking over, chat. Literally a fucking menace. I'm a fucking menace, chat. Arrest him, man. Stop is we gotta get some fucking gas. Yo. Life. Now let me stop. I'm dead. I was just chatting, but here we go. Woo. Now the backfire is crazy. Yo, this is, bro. But there's a crazy dip that be on the side of the road, so always get out that road. Always get out that lane. You got too much dip on your chip, partner. Let me squeeze through there. Thank you, boss. Sheesh. Early morning terrorizing, bro. This is so crazy. So crazy. Absolute fucking madness. Oh my days. Oh my days. We're flowing in this bitch in the rain, chat. Do your homework. Oh my God. Oh my God. Who's this monster? Nah, let me stop trolling. Oh, my exit coming up. My exit coming up, yo. I wish it wasn't raining though. But hey, it is what it is, man. Mother Nature's a woman. Women are bipolar. Nah, I'm joking. Don't cancel me, chat. I'm just playing. Chill out, coach. Stop sign? Let's make it a yield sign. car any way you want, bro. Shit is so crazy. BMW really made a pocket rocket with the M2s. Woo! She trying to get janky in this bit. What the fuck is this guy doing? Holy fucking Shelby. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit, dude.